Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if mobile data is not working on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and you will see turn on flight mode. After turn on flight mode, so just wait 10 to 15 seconds. After 10 to 15 seconds, turn off flight mode and go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, so check your internet connection. Internet connection is work properly. After check internet connection, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management, click on reset and click on reset mobile network settings and click on reset settings, enter your phone pin and click on continue and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if mobile data is not working on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.